Modern SUVs offer a terrific combination of comfort, safety, technology, and driving dynamics. Many of these vehicles are designed to haul a family and all their gear, but without the driver having to worry too much about how it's all going to fit. But what if you need more space than most? Trekking to the beach or up to ski country might put some S.U.V.'s cargo capacities to the test, but the following SUVs are among the most spacious in the modern car market. Interestingly, the list is not exclusively composed of full-size SUVs. Some midsize SUVs offer more efficient packaging that yields better cargo space than their full-size counterparts. SUVs also run the gamut from luxury brands to more affordable options. There is an ultra-spacious SUV here for any budget. 2021 Jeep Wrangler. The 2021 Jeep Wrangler is impossible to mistake for any other vehicle, thanks to its boxy militaristic shape. It's designed to tackle the toughest off-road trails, yet it can still carry a fair amount of cargo for civilian duties, with a tall and wide hatch. Unfortunately, the iconic two-door version is short on space. It's at just 12.9 cubic feet with the rear seat upright and 31.7 with the cushions folded. On the other hand, the Wrangler's removable top enables it to carry extremely tall items, like mature houseplants, that other small SUVs cannot. The four-door fares are much better here at 31.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 72.4 cubic feet with them folded flat. If you need even more cargo space, consider the Jeep Gladiator, which is essentially a four-door Wrangler with an open cargo bed that can accommodate dirt bikes and other large recreational gear. 2021 Jeep Cherokee. The 2021 Jeep Cherokee remains one of the few small crossover SUVs that can tackle rough off-road trails when properly equipped. Its performance isn't as admirable over pavement, however, though it does offer a peppy optional turbocharged engine. It comes with an easily operated infotainment system and a generous number of driver assist systems for added safety. The Cherokee can hold 25.8 cubic feet of cargo with the rear seatbacks upright. An adjustable cargo floor can increase that capacity to 27.6 cubic feet, and it swells to 54.7 cubes with the second row of seats folded. 2021 Mazda CX-5. If you're looking for a winning combination of style, sportiness, and practicality, look no further than the 2021 Mazda CX-5. It's handsomely cast on the outside and features a decidedly upscale look and feel on the inside. With a choice of two eager four-cylinder engines and crisp handling abilities, it's among the most fun-to-drive models in the compact class. The CX-5's cargo area isn't the largest among small SUVs, and some may find the liftover height to be a bit tall, but it's able to hold a family's worth of luggage with a capacity of around 31 cubic feet behind the rear seats. This expands to about 60 cubic feet with the seatbacks folded. A power-operated liftgate is included with all versions but the base sport trim. 2021 Jeep Compass. The 2021 Jeep Compass is another small SUV that can be equipped to hit the trails for off-road adventures. Unfortunately, it's hampered by an underpowered engine. On the plus side, the passenger cabin is fairly roomy and comfortable and features an intuitive infotainment system. Advanced safety features are plentiful, though none come standard. The Compass earned an above-average reliability score from J.D. Power. Though the Compass could use a larger cargo area, a wide hatch makes loading and unloading easier, and its small item stowage comes in handy. The Compass can hold 27.2 cubic feet of cargo behind the second row and 59.8 with the seatbacks folded. 2021 Kia Sportage. The 2021 Kia Sportage is noted for its comfortable and nicely designed cabin with upscale finishes and an easily operated infotainment system. A choice of engines includes a 240 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and the Sportage delivers a well-balanced ride and handling qualities with several high-tech safety systems included. The Sportage's cargo space isn't as generous as with some of its rivals, though it does offer several small storage areas throughout the vehicle's interior. There are 30.7 cubic feet of storage behind the second row, and it expands to a maximum of 60.1 with the split-fold seatbacks deployed. The top X and SX turbo trims include a power-operated liftgate. 2021 Hyundai Tucson. While not especially sporty or powerful, the 2021 Hyundai Tucson pleases with easygoing ride and handling qualities, a comfortable cabin, an easily mastered infotainment system, and many standard features, including some key driver assist systems. It also comes with a generous warranty that covers the main powertrain components for 10 years or 100,000 miles. Tucson's available cargo space is adequate, but far from being best in class. Still, it can carry 31 cubic feet of groceries or luggage behind the second row, and that grows to 61.9 cubes with the seatbacks folded. A power liftgate is included with higher trims, and it can be operated on a hands-free basis for added convenience. 2021 GMC Terrain. Mechanically related to the Chevrolet Equinox, the 2021 GMC Terrain delivers a smooth ride and decent acceleration. Its cabin is roomy and comfortable. It includes an easily operated infotainment system, and the vehicle comes standard with several of the latest advanced safety features. These include General Motors Teen Driver System that lets parents limit certain aspects like speed and audio volume limits. While the Terrain's cargo capacity isn't the largest among compact SUVs at 29.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 63.3 with them folded, its front passenger seat can likewise fold flat to accommodate longer items like lumber and surfboards. There's also no shortage of cubbies to hold smaller items throughout the interior. A power liftgate is available, with a hands-free version included in higher trims. 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. The 2021 Chevrolet Equinox is related to the aforementioned GMC Canyon, though it comes with specific styling inside and out. It likewise features a roomy interior with comfortable seating and an infotainment interface that's both fully featured and easily operated. It comes standard with many standard driver assist features and is highly rated for predicted reliability. The Equinox's cargo specs are a hair better than the Canyon's at around 30 cubic feet with the rear seatbacks upright, and 63.9 cubes with them folded down. A power liftgate is included with higher trims. 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. The 2021 Ford Bronco Sport is a new entry this year, and though it's related to the automaker's Escape, it's more ruggedly designed and is engineered for added off-road prowess. Power comes from either an efficient 3-cylinder engine or a much peppier 250 horsepower Turbo 4. The Bronco Sport's overall boxy shape helps maximize its cargo hauling duties. It can hold 32.5 cubic feet of gear behind the rear seats and 65.2 cubic feet with the seatbacks folded. Of note, unlike most small SUVs, the rear window can be opened independently of a hatch for added loading flexibility. The vehicle further includes a number of small storage cubbies in the cabin, zippered pockets on the front seatbacks, and a hidden compartment situated under the back seat. 2021 Ford Escape. The nicely styled 2021 Ford Escape is an energetic performer, with a choice of a 181 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder engine or a quicker 250 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder. It affords a spacious cabin that's fitted with an efficiently operated infotainment system and offers a long list of advanced safety systems. Available cargo space is about on a par with the Ford Bronco Sport, with which the Escape is related. The rear seats adjust fore and aft to enhance legroom or cargo space. Depending on where they're positioned, there are between 33.5 and 37.5 cubic feet of stowage behind the seats. With the seatbacks folded flat, this expands to 65.4 cubes. A hands-free power liftgate is included with the 2 highest trim levels. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.